As you can see in the cracks, it's got mold. Wow, look at that. Holy moly. Alright, what's up y'all? We're back with another one. Let me show you what we got to do. Alright, so first off, we're gonna be hitting this front soffit up here. See, it's dirty, especially up in there. Gonna hit this front porch area. And the main attraction, we got this paver walkway and driveway. As you can see in the cracks, it's got mold. Come down to the driveway. You can see these mold marks here. Black marks on the bricks. A lot of mold build up in the cracks. We know y'all like paver driveways, so gonna make this one look nice. And we come down here to the concrete, which is also very dirty. It's right here. See, concrete, gutters are dirty. Everything here is dirty, so we got some work to do. Let's get to it. We just decided to do the whole front of the house. Alright y'all, that's gonna do it. We just wrapped it up. Took us a little while. Let me show you the results. Alright, so as I said, we just decided to do the whole front of the house. Looks good. Garage door looks good. Dark doors like this get us pretty nervous. As you can see, it's nice and clean. No streaks on it. Up in the porch, good as new, no more wasps. Come here, you can see soffits look good, and you can see right here, it's the difference versus where we did and didn't clean. I mean, you can see what it does. Looks good. And the main part of the video was this paver driveway. As you can see, all the black, all the debris and the cracks is all gone. Come down and show you these cracks, give you a screenshot of all the debris that was in it before. You can see overall, looks very good. And this concrete down here, especially on this part of the sidewalk, as you probably saw in the video, I had to go extra slow because it was wanting to leave some stripes, so I had to move extra slow to not leave any. There was a little bit of tanning spots we hit with the 5% along the edge here. The rest of the concrete there, down to the gutter. Looks good. The job's complete. All right, y'all, bit of a surprise. On the way home, we got another job, so let me show you what we got. Okay, so this is what we got. We're doing the front and back of the house, and then a fence on the side. So if I stand here and I zoom in, you can see up there all the dirtiness on the soffits. Then around here to the front, you see under this window is some mold. The front isn't terrible, the actual front of the house itself, but the back's a little bit worse. Then here's the back. See on the windows, it's green. All under the windows. Here on the soffits, it's black. We're also going to be hitting this back pad real quick. And there's the back of the house. And here's the fence. It's pretty bad. See all this lichen here? Wow, look at that. Holy moly. Come down here. We're just cleaning this side of the fence. Just because they didn't want to look at a green fence, so we're cleaning this side of it. All the way down to the other corner where a lot of lichen is once again. That stuff. Alright y'all, it's gonna be a good one. Stay tuned. As y'all can probably tell, this one's maybe just a little dirtier than the fence in the last video.
I'd say she's due.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Job's complete. Let me show you around. There's some spots up on the second story where it was from the shingles. You guys know the black streaks I'm talking about. But it all looks good up in the porch. So many wasp nests and mud daubers up in here we had to get, but they're all gone now. You remember under this window? I'll throw up a screenshot. It was pretty dirty under this window. And then the big thing with this job, the fence. Like I said a little bit, you got these tiny faint spots that are basically stained into the fence, but I mean, look at this fence. This thing is looking brand new. I'll probably try something new where I'm like, have the old video of before we cleaned it in the corner of me walking down, and then this, so you can kind of get a comparison in real time. But yeah, I mean, that's the fence, man. Looks good. And then this is the back of the house. Windows were moldy, they're good now. Really, under all the windows was pretty good mold. I'll throw up another screenshot, but I mean, this thing's looking good now, man. This is a returning customer. Forgot to mention in the pre-walkthrough, but we did their driveway and their back pad a while ago. Not quite a year, but it's pretty close. And they called us back to hit that fence in the front and back of their house. If y'all enjoyed, like, subscribe, comment. Hot right now, it's like 3:30 in Florida. Probably feels like 110 or something. I don't know, I'm probably being dramatic, but if y'all enjoyed, like I said, like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you on the next one.